Hello friends, this is Rishi George and I'm going to discuss about the program. And in this program we are going to see the implementation of stack and queue using a linked list. And first we will see the implementation of a stack, and in this we will perform the basic operations like push, pop and display. And we'll see the code. First we have the basic header file for input output statements, and then we have the using namespace std. Then we have created a structure here of name node, and then we have declared a variable of data type int, and here we have created another pointer variable, and it has the name, it has the data type of the structure. Then after the structure we have created another pointer variable top, and we have initialized is equals to null. And then we have created some functions like push, pop and display. Push for inserting the element, pop for deleting the element, and display for displaying. Then in the push function we can see that we are calling the node start temp, that is the pointer variable, and we are giving it to a new variable, that is the new node. New here is a keyword which will initialize some memory for this structure at the runtime. And then we have cout statement that will show that enter the element to be pushed in the stack, and then you will have to give the value, and it will be the value that is the date that will be given through the temporary, that is the temp. And then we are initializing the showing that the next value that will be stored at the node of the temp is equals to null, and if the top is equals to null, then the top will be is equals to the temporary value, or else if the condition is not true, the temp will move from the first element and it will go till the top through next, and then it will show that top is equals to temp. And for the deletion, that is we are having the void pop function, and in this we can again we are having this node start temp. As we can see that it is a local variable, and every time for every function we have to declare it. So we'll give as temp is equals to top, just like we did in the first function. And then if top is equals to null, that it doesn't contain anything, then we will show that the stack is empty, else we will move the top variable to the next. And cout, the deleted element is the temporary through the next, that is the data. And then delete temp, we are calling the delete function. Delete is a keyword, and we will delete the temporary value that is stored at the temp. And then we will show the display. Through the display function we can show that cout the present stack that it contain after deletion and insertion is node start temp is equals to top, that is the pointer variable will be is equals to the top. And inside this we have a while loop, that if while temporary is not equals to null, that is it contains something, then we will show that cout temporary next data, and temp is equals to the value that it's having at the next at the temp. And then we have the int main where the execution starts, and here we have initialized int ch is equals to 1, and for this we have initialized this for this while loop, so that if ch not equals to 0, that it is not equals to 0, it continue running. That's a loop. And inside this we have the cout statement for 1 for insert, 2 for delete, 3 for display, and 4 for exit. And in this we have a switch case here, that is the ch we have initialized here. And in the case 1 we have the push, that we will call the push function, and we can insert the element through this push function. And then in case 2 we have the pop function, the pop function is being invoked, and we can delete any element through this pop function. And case 3 we have the display, and case 4 we will return 0, that is the exit, and default that cout invalid choice, if the choice is invalid we'll give as invalid choice, and then after every case we'll break. So let's see the output. So 1 for input, so we'll enter element 3, and again we will try to insert 4. Now we'll try to delete. So the element deleted is 4. As we know that in stack it is first come last out, so the first one will be there only, but the last one which you entered will be taken out. First one to and now we'll see the display, that is the 3. The present stack only contains the third element, that is the first one that was entered. That's it. And now let's see the code for the second program, that is the implementation of a queue using a linked list. So it is here. So implementation of queue using linked list, and in this we will perform the same functions as insert, delete and display using the linked list, same functions. So we'll see the code here also. Basic header file, then using namespace std and the node structure just like we did in the first program, and then we have the in data, then another pointer variable, node star next, and here we are having, as it is a queue, we know that in queue it is first come first out, so we have declared the front and rear is equals to null. That means the queue contains nothing right now, and we have given the functions like enqueue, dequeue, display, and here all are of type void. It doesn't contain anything right now, and we haven't given any data type, any argument in this. And inside this enqueue we have node start temp is equals to new node, and it will give the value to a new node, and memory will be allocated for this new node. And then cout, enter the element, and the element will be, the data will be stored at the temp, and the value at the next node of the temp will be is equals to null. And if rear is equals to null, then we have rear is equals to temporary and front is equals to temporary. Else the rear is the next value at the node is equals to rear is equals to temp, that is rear is equals to temp. And for the deletion, that is dequeue, we can show that if front is equals to null, that means the queue is empty, it doesn't contain anything. Or else if the queue contains something, so how to delete it, that is for node start temp, that is the pointer variable we have declared here. And then again we have the temp, we will initialize it equals to front, and front will carry the value of the next value that the temp contains, and we will return that value, and we will delete the value that is stored at the temp. For display also we have the pointer variable is equals to front, and while temp not equals to null, we will show that as temp, the data at the temp we will display, and the next value that is at the node of temp will be given to the temp. Then we have the int main, and execution starts here, same as we did in the stack we will do in the queue also. Here only the difference is for the front and rear, and here we are giving same as in ch is equals to 1 and in ch is not equals to 0, that is if the condition is not true, then the loop will run continue. And cout, enter 1 for insert, 2 for delete, 3 for display, and cin that is ch we have initialized. And case 1 enqueue, the function will be called for inserting any element, and case 2 cout, the value will be deleted from the queue, that is the dequeue function. And display, we will call this function for the display. And case for returning 0, that is every case we will break it, and default is that invalid choice will be given. Now let's see the output. So 1 for inserting, so we'll insert element 5. Now again we will try to insert an element, so we'll give 6. Now we'll try to delete an element, we'll see that the value deleted is the 5. That is, we know that in queue we follow the principle of first in first out, so the first element that was inserted is 5, and that this element will be only taken out, so we took out 5. Now we'll try to display, only 6 will be remaining here, we can see that. So that's it, thank you.